This is part 2 of unrolling and frosting your Yule log cake. And now we take our whipped ganache and we frost our cake. Now we can remove, after you've frosted, you can remove your wax paper strips. And we're going to take the tines of our fork and run through the icing, giving it wavy patterns looking like a log. Remember to do your little knot. Clean up your platter before we add our decorations. And over here from earlier, we had some of our holly berries. We can just top and decorate however you like. Your little mushrooms. And for a final touch, we add our sugar snow.